Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am going to explain you some basic concepts before starting the rest questions of exercise 8.1. So first we will start the congruency criteria, though we have studied in our previous chapter also, but again I will explain you the congruency criteria so that you can understand the next or the further questions of these exercises. As in different quadrilaterals like parallelogram, rectangle and rhombus, rectangle and square, like that, in all these type of parallelogram or you can say that quadrilaterals, we required these all congruency criteria we have used in previous questions also, as all the properties of these quadrilaterals we have explained earlier. Now we have to prove these all the properties with the help of these congruence criteria. So again I will recall you these all congruence criteria. Here are some congruence criteria. You can see that the first one is SSS. If two triangles are congruent to each other, you can see that their alternative sides must be equal to each other. You can see that this first side is equal to first side, the second side is equal to second side, and the third side is equal to third side. You can see that all three sides of the first triangle is equal to the second triangle. So here we can say that these two triangles are congruent, and this is the sign of congruent to each other with SSS congruency. Now see the next SAS congruency rule. You can see that in this congruency rule, SAS, as we can say that S for side, angle and side, two sides should be equal to the another alternative sides of the another triangle. See that in the first triangle, the first side of the first triangle is equal to the first side of the second triangle, second side equal to second side, and one, the in between angle is equal to the one another in between angle of the other triangle. So you can see that in these two triangles SAS congruency criteria will be hold, and these two triangles will be congruent just because of this congruence criteria. Now move to the next congruence criteria. It's ASA, angle side angle. Two angles, that means this first angle is equal to this first angle, and this second angle is equal to the second angle, and this the in between side is equal to the in between side. So you can see that in these two triangles the one angle, one side and one angle are equal to each other. Hence we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other with the help of ASA congruency criteria. Now move to the next congruency criteria. It is known as the right angle, hypotenuse and side criteria. That's mean RHS congruency criteria, and this criteria is valid only for the right angle triangles. You can see that there are the two right angle triangles, and you can see that one right angle is equal are equal in both the cases, and the hypotenuse is also equal in both the cases, and one of the side is also equal to the one of the side. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent to each other, and due to this congruency criteria these two triangles are congruent to each other. Thank you very much.